Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create stunning gradient text for typography art in Canva using the latest 2025 update. This feature is perfect for adding that eye-catching flair to your designs, and trust me, it's easier than it looks. Let's dive in. Start by heading to your Canva dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Type Gradient feature. If you can't find it right away, just go to the Apps section and type Type Gradient in the search bar. That will get you there instantly. With the Type Gradient tool open, it's time to unleash your creativity. Type in any message or phrase you want. This is your chance to make your text truly unique. Remember, the words you choose have a big impact on your design, so pick something that really resonates. Next, let's add some color magic. Canva offers a wide variety of gradient options, so take a moment to explore them. Whether you want soft pastels or bold, vibrant transitions, the right gradient can completely transform your text, giving it a modern, dynamic look. Play around until you find the perfect combination. Once you're happy with your gradient, click Add to Design. Your text will now seamlessly integrate into your project, ready for any tweaks or adjustments you need. Canva's flexibility makes it easy to fine-tune until everything looks just right. And there you have it, a beautiful piece of gradient typography ready to impress. Don't forget, this is just one of Canva's many creative tools. Experiment with different fonts, backgrounds, and design elements to make your projects truly pop. I hope this quick tutorial inspires your next design. Thanks for watching and happy designing.